This is my outfit for today. Polo, fitting for the urban city of Danang. So good morning, it's day number 2 here in Hoi An. I just came back from my yoga. So it's at Om Day. So super nagising ako. So medyo maaga lang yung class. It was around 6:30. Then one class is like 300,000 Vietnamese dong. Quite standard naman, though may pagkamahal, I think. Medyo nasulit ko naman siya and maganda yung mga poses na ginawa. I was made into a pretzel. So, today, I'll be going to Danang. So, I'm gonna move to a different city. But this is still gonna be my hotel. I'm gonna explore Danang lang. First, the Marble Mountains. And then, maybe check out yung Maiki Beach and try the different food scene there. And, let's see kung may pang shopping pa ba ako. Let's see kung may pa shopping ba ako doon. So, but I shouldn't forget, meron ako mamaya, 4 p.m., yung Birkenstocks. Quote-unquote Birkenstocks. See you in... Gawin ko na naman. So, this is my outfit for today. But yeah, I'm ready. Naglagay ako ng sunscreen sa face. Medyo intense yung, medyo na-sunburn ako hapon sa lakas ng araw. See you when I get to book and then see you in Danang. So we're here na sa Marble Mountains, sa Danang. So after like 30 minutes na ride ng motorbike, ang sakit sa puwet. Take a car na, pero mura kasi ng motorbike eh. Anyways, this whole Marble Mountain, siya, may mga temples here, Hindu and Buddhist temples. So, naka-shorts nga lang ako, so I don't know if papapasukin ako, but let's see. Pero, yung mga steps can be quite a challenge. Ganyan siya kalaki. As in, big steps. I'm not sure kung gaano kadami. Workout na din pala to eh. Big steps. So may entrance siya. It's like 40,000 per person. Alam ko may portion here na you can do like an elevator, pero di ko siya mahanap. Pero nakita ko siya from a distance. Grabe yung steps. May nakita kong group of mga Pinay na nuns. God bless. Kung kaya nila, dapat kaya ko din. So nag-break lang ako agad just cause ang hirap umakyat. Sobrang kakaiba yung hakbang. It's very Hang Mua in Ninh Binh. Naalala niyo yun, grabe. Babili tuloy ng water kasi parang may matay na ako ngayon. Oh my God. Pero feel ko naman matatapos ko to. Kailangan ko lang ng breaks in between. Hindi pa kasi ako makain. That's why. Ang hirap lang dito kasi parang wala masyadong directions. So, I'll try to follow na lang where people go. So, ito ata yung parang cave area. Yung mga usual na nakikita sa mga IG, sa TikTok, gano'n. Whoa. For the Indiana Jones. Girl. Hindi yata kaya dyan pumasok. Oh my... Hindi ko kaya. Salamat sa Diyos at bababa na tayo. Pagod na ako, guys. It feels longer than it should. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito ka intense. Pero mountain kasi, ba't ko ba di naisip? Yun pala yung elevator. I'm not sure lang kung gaano kamahal yan. So, pero sure akong mahal yan. I think to note lang, ang dami lang mga nagbebenta here and medyo nabudol ako. Pero sobrang nahagel ko siya. Kasi sabi ko, wala talaga akong pera. So, from 300 naging 100. Pero pinilit niya ako, promise. So yung lunch, or should I say brunch for today, is at Bikini Bottom Express. So ano siya, parang SpongeBob themed na restaurant. Sobrang cute. As in pangalan ng restaurant, Bikini Bottom. So super cute. Very SpongeBob inspired. So I ordered their Bikini Bottom burger. So buti na lang nag-accept sila ng cart here kasi medyo running low na ako on cash. So that's good. Yeah, very naman to, Western food kasi medyo nag-crave naman ako ng a little bit greasy kasi super healthy na ng mga kinain ko kahapon. Sorry, Mom. What is Da Nang known for? So Da Nang is Vietnam's premier coastal hub. Famous for its sweeping white sand beaches, iconic modern bridges, and dramatic mountain scenery. O nga pala, meron dito, yung parang Dragon Bridge. Pero, on weekends lang siya, I believe, nag-breathe ng fire. Just nakita niyo yung mga videos so, pero super cool siya. See, mas marami ata talaga nagagawa in Hoi An. So buti na lang. Kaya I think that's one of the reasons why I stayed there instead. So chine-check yung itinerary ko here in Da Nang. I compared it with Hoi An. Tapos mas may activities talaga sa sa Hoi An. So yung mga pupuntahan ko here are more of mga shops, mga restaurants. Kasi parang walang hindi as activity filled yung Da Nang versus Hoi An. Like ano ba pwede magawa dito? Yung Marble Mountains, which I've been to na kanina, visiting yung mga malls. Well, Bana Hills, I think it's closer here. Pero hindi kasi ako magbabana Hills just because it's very touristy. And halos lahat na ng photos na nakita ko doon, parang I'm good. I don't have to go there. We're here sa may Vincom Plaza. So parang siyang mall talaga. Ito ata yung pinaka-sikat na mall, I guess, na nakita ko. Just because gusto ko ng malamig na na location. At yung hindi ako masasunog or something. Ooh, very nice. Global brands meron. So may mga Fila, C&K, Levi's, Tommy. Nice. So okay siyang tambayan pag
wala ka naman masyadong ginagawa or like gusto mo ng malamig, malakas naman yung aircon. Pero, grabe. Huwag ko nangingitim na ako. So I'm here at Chilean parang dessert place. So I found this in TikTok. Tapos puro mga locals ang kumakain, which is a good sign kasi you know it's good. Tapos approved by those who actually live here. So ganito yung tsura niya. Parang halo-halo with parang ginataang bilo-bilo na malamig. Actually, di ko masabi kung ano siya pala. For me, langka tofu ata to or something. Tapos may mixed siya with ice para malamig. So it's really good for a hot day. Like today. Yung cream or like yung white is like made out of coconut. So refreshing naman. Very creamy. Ang sarap pala ng lang. First time ko kumain na lang. Pero baka dapat nakaganit. So ito, ano lang to? 25,000. Pwede na. Madami siyang sangkap. And really refreshing for a hot day. And mukhang healthy naman. Hindi siya ganun ka-sweet. So, we're at a random store here in Danang. Hindi ko na kaya yung init. I wanna go back to Hoi An. At least parang mas chill and di masyadong magulo. So, gonna motorbike going back there. Mas mura kasi. It's gonna be quick lang. I might get coffee again just because inaantok na ako and I want another kape. Mas gusto ko talaga dito sa Hoi An. Bias. Yep. So I'm just gonna take it chill. In a chill way. Ayun, ito na pala. Yung cafe na pupuntahan ko. Paifao. So, ramdam ko kasi na baka magkape pa ako. Talagang sasabit dito. Kasi ang lakas pa rin ng kanina, I realize. So, I got lemon and honey paste to freshen myself. Yung mga ganito masarap. Tapos alam mo hindi sweet. Like yung sweetness smell. Because of the honey, ganun. Really good. So, I'm back at my hotel room. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung last ko na film, pero I think it was like going to the claiming my sandals na pinagawa ko. Pero, yeah. I'm well and rested here in the hotel room. It's 6 p.m. It's my last night here in Hoi An. Some reflections, mga na-enjoy ko talaga here. The aesthetic of the whole place, especially yung Old Town. It's sobrang cute niya. If you're into creative, if mahilig ka sa mga art, sa mga aesthetically pleasing things, you're gonna like Hoi An. Lalo na if you're a fan of the color yellow, you're gonna love Hoi An. Ang dami ko may mga na-picturean akong areas na quite aesthetically pleasing. Lagay ako here. So, random house lang yan that I found habang naglalakad. Dito naman, I was in a coffee shop, so quite nice. Umupo talaga ako sa parang balcony nila. Balcony ba tawag doon? Or like sa may window area. And then na-film ko yung sarili ko, gano'n, stock footage stuff. I came from Danang earlier. In terms of yung mga places there, it's more busy. just because mas city na yun. Like, high-rise buildings, mga condominiums, mga offices, huge highways, big roads, and daming construction na ginagawa. So, it's very busy, pero it's not as busy as Ho Chi Minh. It did feel hotter there, or baka yung oras lang kasi na napuntahan ko. Mas kumain and nag-coffee lang ako doon, majority. Pumunta ako sa Vincom Mall. Pero it's nice to see lang the mall scene there. May Jollibee sa pinakataas, hindi ko lang na-film. Pero ang saya na makikita ng maraming tao nagtatry ng Jollibee. Yung curious lang ako, do they have gravy here? I'm not so sure. So, lagay ko na lang here if they do serve gravy with their chicken. Because I think uso din yung sweet chili sauce. So, yeah, yun lang. A thing. Transportation. So, majority of the mga sinakyan ko, talagang puro motorbikes just because super cheap nila. As in, from here in Mad Monkey, na medyo malayo from the Old Town center area. It's around, di ako lumalagpas ng 100 pesos. So, quite good value. Pero a thing lang with motorcycles here in Vietnam, baka magulat kayo kasi they are very quick. Mabilis sila magmaneho. Mahilig sila sumingit. Minsan hindi sila nakikinig sa stoplight, which is kinda scary. Hindi naman lahat, pero there might be some instances. Yun lang. Out of all the rides na ginawa ko, I think naka 10 or 11 ata ako. Parang dalawa lang naman doon yung parang nag-overspeed. So something to note lang, and make sure you always have your things, like nakahawak sila. But syempre, if you have a lot of stuff, like marami kang binili sa Old Town, better to get a car na lang. So doon sa Old Town area, as I mentioned yung transportation, you have to note na may certain areas there that Grab cannot enter into just because walking area, a lot of the different mga eskinita doon, lalo na kapag the closer you go to the center, mas konti yung mga motor doon, pero may mga bikes from time to time, as in may mga police na nagbabantay. So you have to make the effort to walk a little bit. Malalaman nyo naman yung location nun when you book sa Grab. Like magkakaroon ng parang red na bordering thing that you have to consider lang before you book a Grab. So yeah, so that's Hoi An and Da Nang. Have you been here? Do you plan to go here? May kasama ka ba? Magsa-solo travel ka ba? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if nagawa niyo yung Duck Stop kasi yun talaga one of the more hidden gems. Pero parang nagkakaroon na siya ng medyo sikat na siya. So, yeah. That's it for this first leg of the Vietnam trip, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. So, bye. See you tomorrow.